how are you? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're trying something new. Y'all know how much I love my natural hair, but from time to time, I like to try something new. And today, I'm trying a 3-in-1 half wig by Hergivenhair. It's a Kinky 3-in-1 half wig and it's 20 inches. I love the bag that the hair came in. I love that this is so close to my hair texture. And it feels so soft. I wish you could feel it. Oh my god. I can't wait to actually try this. This wig is basically like my own hair, so the first thing I do is to spray water just to make it a little bit softer. Alright, so moving on to my hair. As a natural hair girly, I also like to leave my hair out, but I also love to protect my ends. It's also trying to find a middle ground where I can protect my ends and also have a cute hairstyle. I already twisted my hair, but I had already separated this bit that I was going to do a twist out with and see how it matches the hair extension. I'll go ahead and put on my wig cap and tuck my own hair and put it away. I'm so excited already. As I was twisting the front, I twisted it with mousse so that it would give a good twist out, but also have some texture to match the hair extension. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig. It's actually quite easy to put on, and it feels so secure because of the 2 clips on the side and 1 on the back. I bet you I can do a somersault and this wig wouldn't come off. I love how this feels already. I can't get over how soft it is. I need to unravel my own twists and see how it matches my hair. I put some oil on my hands. Let's unravel the first one. As I unravel my own hair as a twist out so it can match the wig, I am just so surprised at how my hair texture matches the hair texture of the wig so well. From the color to the texture, it's unbelievable. Where does my hair start and where does the wig begin? Okay, let's finish this up. I just love how I can have a twist out hairstyle without my whole hair being out in the elements. This is basically a protective style. I can't even begin to explain to you how amazing this feels. As a natural hair girly, this is the kind of wig I would stand by any day, anytime. Okay, this is nuts. Wait a second. Can you see this? I'm just trying to make sure my hair blends well with the wig by brushing my edges. I'm not putting any edge control at all. I'm just brushing my edges. And then I go ahead and separate more of my twist out that I have in front just so it blends properly. Can you see up close how it matches so well? This is amazing. Okay, right now I can't even tell you where my hair starts and where my hair begins. As a person who's just learning how to wear wigs, I love that this is beginner friendly. I also love that I don't have to deal with any lace or glue on anything. It's just low tension and it puts no pressure on my edges at all. That's a win-win. This has to be magic. I don't even need edge control because what? Okay, I need to see the finished look. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. As a 4C hair girly, I've always wanted to have wash and go hairstyles, but my hair texture just doesn't stay. With Houston humidity, my wash and go just becomes a clump by the end of the day. But with this wig, I can literally have wash and goes the whole week and the texture will stay the same. Let me show you how versatile this wig can be as well. Let's change up the look. Is this my hair or not? Because even I can't believe which is real. This is my hair. Like, this is the regular styles that I do with my hair, right? Okay, this is beautiful. How is this even possible? They don't call it a 3-in-1 wig for nothing. I actually love that it is quite versatile. Taking off the hair clip. Let's see if it'll come back to the shape that it was. Now it's stretched. I can literally create any hairstyle I want in minutes with this wig. I feel so seen that I can find a wig that matches my hair texture. It's just amazing. Look at how quickly I put the hair back down. Like, what? Ain't nobody gonna tell me this is not my hair. I know I've shown you how versatile this hair is, but did you know you can also make a ponytail with it? I know, right? I'll show you in another video. And if you love this hair like I do and believe in the magic of Hergivenhair, run. Don't walk, run to their website to buy yours, and I'm gonna refer you. Here's my code so you can get a discount. I got you, girl. As usual, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. If you've gotten to this point, you're the real MVP. Please don't forget to actually like the video, press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that bell to get notifications for every time I post.